Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech. Today in this video, I'll explain how you can use Google Drive scanner to scan the documents. See here, there are currently two documents on my desk. This is one and this is one. Say for example, just imagine this is the another document. This is the another document. First, I'll scan through this document. So I'll be choosing a format to take the picture and just use this capture button here. So once you taken this, you need to click on next and see here, this will be in the PDF, and click on upload here, and you can open the Drive app here, and you will be having this file in the recents folder. See, this is the scanned document what I have just scanned. You may ask, how will I get this Google scan widget on the shortcut on the home screen? This is very simple. I'll be closing this, removing this. Give a long press on your home screen, click on the widgets, and just go for the Google Drive here and drag and drop on the home screen. So whenever click on OK, select the Gmail and click on OK, click on select, okay, done. With one click access, you can scan any document. Just you need to take the picture correctly, okay, using the snap, okay, correctly, and you can add the filters. You can change the filters here, okay. You can grayscale this, you can make it into black and white. There are many options, and now I'll go with the original and click on apply and click on next, and here you can rename the file here. See here, you can rename the file to something, okay, some.pdf. You can save it to jpg or pdf, but I want it to pdf. And here location, you can choose whichever folder you want. Maybe I'll go to a pdf files which I have already created and select this and click on upload. This will be available in your Drive app, okay, Drive app, and under the folder called pdf files, sorry, some.pdf. So this is how you can use this new feature of Google Drive scan to easily create PDFs right from your mobile with one click option. So if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like for this video. And this is the Google Drive, right? Usually where does this option available is, see here, if you don't want a shortcut, if you don't want to keep a shortcut on your home screen, you can just open the Drive app and click on this plus symbol, right? Then click on the scan. So just for the easy access purpose, I kept this on the home screen. So I feel this tutorial is helpful to you. If it is helpful, please do hit a like. This would be a great help for me, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.